Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you.
German tuner Mansory doesn't do subtle, but its latest take on the Rolls Royce Cullinan goes above and beyond in the flamboyance department. It celebrated the opening of its first showroom in Dubai by giving the British SUV a love it or hate it redesign inside and out. Nearly every part of the Cullinan's exterior has been modified. Mansory installed a full body kit that adds a deeper front bumper with extra air intakes and a splitter, vents chiseled into the fenders, side skirts, a spoiler above the rear window, and a sizable rear diffuser. Flared wheel arches cover 24-inch forged wheels, and many of the exterior add-ons feature a black, gray, and white finish that almost looks like granite, a resemblance we're guessing is intentional. And, don't look for chrome. The bright bits were made black to give the SUV a more sinister look. Inside, the granite-esque finish appears on most of the trim pieces, and Mansory fitted leather upholstery with a wave-like motif on the door panels and on the center consoles. There are two in the Cullinan. The passengers sitting in the back enjoy individual power-adjustable seats upholstered in different colors, tray tables integrated into the front seat backs, and an outline of the United Arab Emirates in the headliner. The same outline is stitched into the rear headrests and into the seat belts, which also gain a white Mansory branded stripe. Mansory didn't publish precise technical specifications, but we know that it didn't leave the drivetrain untouched. It quotes an output of 610 horsepower and 701 pound-feet of torque, while the stock Cullinan's 6.75-liter V12 posts 563 and 627, respectively. Another detail that hasn't been released yet is pricing. But, if you need to ask, odds are you're not the kind of customer that Mansory wants to lure into its showroom.